How to train your mind to recognize large shifts in your reality. We've mentioned in the past that every second, every minute of the day, you're constantly shifting across various quantum parallel realities. So the version of you that exists today is merging with the version of you that will exist tomorrow. In other words, your current world is a series of realities projected upon your consciousness that is given the illusion of a continuous and moving reality. So your life looks something like this. Another example is this. So to train your mind to notice these shifts, you want to follow the breadcrumbs. Another way of saying it is you want to notice the clues. So there are two categories of breadcrumbs that your lived experience will show you. Ones that are noticeable and that ones that usually go unnoticed. So changes in your emotions is one of them, particularly changes that results in past triggers no longer triggering you. And this occurs when you have a perspective shift. In other words, you have shifted from version A to version B if something that was previously triggering you when you were in reality A is no longer triggering you in the same way, largely because your perspective has changed. We can now say you have shifted to a different version of you. This is an example of a significant shift in your reality and in yourself. Another example is when you have deja vu, which is a feeling of a situation already occurring either in the same exact way or you remember it occurring with slight differences. Another is when you start noticing frequently that your thoughts and your ideas and the things that you say and do and talk about are manifesting itself in your life, in other words, becoming things. Noticeable breadcrumbs or clues are when you have physical changes in your life, so when your manifestations are becoming true, or when you notice the Mandela effect. This is when a large body of people remember things differently from another large body of people. Another is when you start noticing people are changing or exiting your life. Another is when you notice your lived experience or situations are changing according to your intentions. So these are noticeable breadcrumbs, and these are often unnoticeable and quite frequent breadcrumbs. So I invite you to ask yourself every morning, what evidence exists in my lived reality that shows that I have quantum shifted?